Lifestyle Blacks TV.
Yeah man, my beautiful people, viewers from yard and abroad, welcome back to the channel and I don't know it go. Welcome to another excited vlog. You don't know today man, we're out here man. We in a sentence, you know our place peeps. And guess what, we're going to link up with some guests. You get to me I say, we're link up with some Canadian guests. Do some fishing, you get to me I say. The people, we're going to go up at the Airbnb. Meet up with the people man. From there so. We are going left, we are going to go up on the west side of Jamaica, which is Hanover, next door to Westmoreland. A man think of here. So people, it's going to be an exciting trip. See it there. Randy out here we do today.
Give thanks to be here again and now. Touch out in the street. Give thanks to life and everything. Yeah, we make it good and also everything good. Yeah.
So we don't know we're going to people are coding today. Explore now, explore. You see it? No day here, Fox. No day here neither today, but I don't know the team large, you know, people. So we have to just make the move when the moves have to make. So just keep it locked in a yard and abroad. Big up on yourself, man. And just go and watch video, make young girl love you, man. I don't know the thing, though. Yeah, man. Right there, bro. Yeah, man, peeps. So we have walked the Columbus and meet up with them. I'm a subscriber them, otherwise known as a guest. You get what I say? I'm a forward from overseas to this stuff. I don't know what's going on. Yeah man, bless up to everybody. We make the thing possible, everybody over here we have visit. Everybody will give you the strength over the years, because we don't know what's going on people. So you see what I go on. Yeah man. So up the hill we go to pass through security, because you don't know gated community. But we name done step down. Okay. Go through the thing, you get to me and say, so peeps, keep it locked man. Yard and abroad. Heart of love. Randy Dan talk to the people in the man.
Up here. So let's move the chat.
Yeah man, there.
So good look so far. Good to be here. We and the team. That's all I about you don't know. We're going to link up again. One fullness up here. Columbus Heights. First me and touch the ground with the general room on the street. Don't know. One love.
Eh? I think I hope you Ziggy Devo.
Nobody call you until they say,
yeah man, go fish, you know, go and do not go.
yeah.
I go, so, pass the game, I just want to go school, I just want to go green street. You might look out for us, you end up on the plate.
Alright, my boss. Respect, yeah?
Long time you work here, you know, man. Yeah, man.
Morning.
It's a long time we done work here, man. The man said, pass on green tree.
So Jamaican give direction, you know.
Look how much green tree there. The man said, pass on green tree. Jaja know peeps, but we out here, man. We are going to find the general. I think I just say, you know. Yeah, man. But we out here, man, people. So I keep it locked, man. So I go on. Roll in the right way, you know. Yeah man peeps, we are almost reaching finally find out we have a black key. Oh, it's 21, 22, we have a 22. So see general roll out. Don't know. I look like in a ramp with the gym though.
No, I mean, that's why
Yeah man peeps, don't know.
what place? Like a place, yeah?
Yeah man. First me I come that side here.
That's the one next place where you say, wow. Never ride at the funny way.
Yeah, it's good.
Mine about say, I'll say half an hour.
Yeah, there.
Yeah. So man. So one hook part, yeah. Them one, you see me I say? Yeah. So check out it. Yo, sharp in every cut here, you know.
Yeah, nice. This one I pin and
Me almost go to jail for that already.
Yeah man peeps, so you see what I go on?
Yeah.
Yeah man, we get in some stuff. You see what I say? Yeah man, father. Linton deal with the good, you know? Yeah man. But peeps, this is my talking, you know, one of them I have to mess up.
Yeah man, one of them I feel.
this, anywhere me I go,
Just push
you
in your
can
pocket.
just, you know what I say, yeah man, in my bag or anyway.
Make it, like when I clip off this, then I can take out, make it, you know, this me I say.
Yeah man, so I test this in idea showing, you know, people.
Yeah.
So when we reach down at the next place, you see me, cause we are go on the next side of Jamaica, so when we reach down there,
Don't bother thinking you're strong, you know, you're strong.
No, man, you
Then
don't
I'm
have to tell
more
me.
Can't bust so easy.
No.
You see how they're long? You see they're long though?
Yeah.
And they look like they're short, not true?
how much at 6 foot or 5? Put it
Yeah,
on the wrong
yeah.
side of you.
Yeah.
No, in a reach yet, no.
Now reach
Seven.
it, 7 point something.
It's
I know say they're funny.
a 6 something.
7 man.
7, yeah.
7 point something. Let me see Mark Panny. It's a 7 point something. But when you tighten up that,
So,
you know,
but
so
this
you
no
when you
pull
do
it.
it now, you have to tighten up them here.
Yeah, man.
And then this apart and now part. This apart. Yeah, here. You see here? Let me show you. This a piece here. Go up. Underneath here.
Yeah, man. I'm already using it.
Okay, so I don't know if it's the
Yeah, man.
and then you tighten up.
Let's see how it is.
But would that me and you move this too fine? Would I change this and roll on half of one of them one day on it
Yeah.
and you can't bust again? See me I say? Yeah. So you screw that up, you have to push it down for it and you tighten.
The man so peeps to get some line to you know.
Yeah. Then they can't catch anything like that.
So you know say out I package your whole team, you know. You can get something, you know. Yeah man. Whole heap of respect to you general, you know what I mean?
Them they all phone in them. I don't want them they are phone in them. Them and a phone package.
This is how it look.
Yeah.
General, I show you know peeps, cause the
They're
general
sharp,
say
they're sharp.
a fox, the knife, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah man, a fox, so
Fox, be careful.
put it down for
And they got
fox.
extra
You see
big
me?
taste, me I say.
Randy, you lock that one here from now, you know.
We just get that one there.
Yeah man, you lock that one here from now, so
Now you got nobody doing it. He got you any bone in it.
yeah man, but I love that one here too, you know,
You got
peeps, you know.
flashlight pan in, let me show you.
Yeah, see, I
So
look
you
a
see
pen.
that, sir?
Yeah.
You go like this. Here,
And
see
so
that?
on. Alright.
Yeah.
The flashlight pan. So if a night,
You know if you do like when you cut up the 80 top.
yeah, you got light pan you cut same way.
Yeah, man.
So this is a good one for you. Yes. Me I say.
So I go on Father Fox now. You know we are both up the rest of things I'm gonna reach on our next.
So the place you have it, Carolina Andrew place, Airbnb. I feel all of you know a place like what nice place.
Yeah, man, so
They
babes.
got carrying upstairs.
We are get the information and I get the
And then we
bookings
get it.
information and
Yeah.
make you see.
Yeah.
You get to me show now the place look same because we are gonna go up
Nice
on the
and handy,
gazebo.
that's
You get to me? I
Easy to
say?
carry.
Yeah man, easy to carry man. You can scrap off that anytime and put your hand back to and gone there with. And then cheap in a dog, you can get all 4 or 5 of them, you know.
Yeah.
And the weight on the suitcase.
Yeah.
You can't carry so much things, you know. Yeah.
But babes, this is gonna be my daytime.
Yeah.
Right, you know?
Hey Andrew, man they reach. So that's Andrew.
Father Andrew.
Andrew own this property.
Yeah.
So Carolyn and Andrew own the property. So Andrew will get the information and you put up it on your own. You know.
So bless up yourself, you know, Father.
Respect,
You know?
respect.
Yeah, man, you don't
Welcome
know.
to Columbus Heights.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys are the video guys.
Yeah.
Man. So how long you guys been doing this now?
Like a year and yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta give me the YouTube channel. Well, he knows the channel anyway, right? Alright, that's nice. Alright, and this is the video guy here, eh?
Yes.
What's his name?
Crespo.
Crispa.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Randy there.
Yeah, man, the man hand steady, man. Now I'm shake.
The long time, man.
Alright.
So you don't know, man. We just like a queen.
Yeah, the guy know.
To the place, man. What you call it?
Yeah, put it on the place, man. And Carolyn and Andrew Airbnb this, you know.
Yeah, man.
So
Airbnb, welcome to Columbus Heights.
bookings, Andrew will tell her how you book.
Welcome to Columbus Heights.
You know?
Yeah, man. Tell them about the booking information and how them find it, man.
Yeah,
and
well,
stuff like
Airbnb, Carolyn, bookings, Columbus Heights 22E. Carolyn, you just type in Carolyn and you'll see it.
that. So we are running that on the screen, you know, peeps. You see it? So when you see the real information,
thing.
yeah, man. Just
Yeah.
run it on the screen. So anytime you know come to Jamaica, you just book. You understand? Yeah, man. So
Columbus Heights 22E. Columbus Heights 22E, right here.
So if you ask you how curious,
Yes.
this is the place. You get to me and say,
That's
peeps.
right.
Yeah, man.
Overlook,
You know what
overlook
curious.
the Alright, so there is bring some reach. They're gonna show Andrew and shoot, yeah.
2 bedrooms, 2 ensuite. Columbus Heights, 22E, Ocean View.
See my peeps. That's the old Ochi.
The whole of Ochiris.
All of Ochiris.
Towers. Ocean 11, Margaritaville. Taj Mahal. Cruise ship comes in this morning 7 o'clock. Is the next one that came in and he left. This is the balcony. Swimming pool.
How many rooms you have?
We got 2 bedrooms. Each bedrooms has their ensuite. Like a full bathroom.
Full
and one
bathroom set.
2. That's correct. And this is our balcony right here. This is Ocean View. So this is where the cushion comes in. This is all
Up your hat, you know. Up your hat. This is it.
You're nice.
Up your hat. This is my run from the sun.
No, run fam. You gotta get the lighting up. You're nice.
Imagine a night time in the place.
Yeah, man, this is the place to be when you're in Ochiris. You get what I say, peeps? You know Ochiris? The place to be. Yeah, man. Look over all of the town, you know? Don't know the peeps.
Nice.
Yeah, man, and we give thanks for the opportunity to be here. You get what I say? Because you know we value our subscribers, them, and from them I come from far. Especially when you don't know where go, man. Yard and abroad, you always say, you see it? Whole heap of respect, whole heap of love, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Out there. Yeah, man, peeps, you out here with our guests. Yeah, man, we're currently in Ochiris, Columbus Heights. You get what I say? Yeah, man, with the Columbus Heights, as I say. We don't want to miss it. You get what I say? We have some vodka. Something light, you know? Nothing over, yeah, we are overdo nothing because we have a long journey ahead of with some orange juice. You get what I say? Randy they out here, you know? Yeah, man, Linton, you make the link. Respect to the
Andrew.
general, same way.
Andrew from Columbus Heights. Reggae Villa.
Yeah, man, so we're currently at Reggae Villa. You get what I say, peeps?
Columbus Heights. Right across from
22.
Yeah, 22E.
Yeah, 22E, we are 22E, you get what I say?
Across from
And
Margaritaville.
peeps, want to see the view, you know. And I lie on you, peeps. You see the ship come in, you can see everything like, you're there right there. You can see it even better. You get what I say, peeps? Right down there we have Margaritaville. Like 5 minutes away from us, not even 5, 3 minutes away.
Ocean
We
11.
can go, you know, Ocean 11 right over there, so. You get what I say? We have Turtle Tower. We have Fisherman Beach over there. Yeah, man. You get what I say? Taj Mahal right there, peeps. And at Taj Mahal we have Reggae Alley. Andrew, you've been to Reggae Alley before, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man. We have Reggae Alley right there.
Just over there, yes.
Yeah, man. So Margaritaville have a whole host of stuff, you know.
Yes,
peeps.
Reggae
Like,
Alley down there.
a lot of
Towers,
stuff.
You know.
Yeah, man, and like up the road we have the Jerk Center. On the bypass we have the Jerk Center.
That's
We have
correct.
mainland China. We have Sakura. We have Pizza Hut. We have Juicy. People never come to Jamaica and eat no Juicy patty, you know, no don't know it go. You get me? Andrew wants to say something to you too.
Look straight across there, that's Moon Palace. Those two are building over there, Moon Palace.
Yeah, man.
This is where the cruise ship comes in right here.
Yeah, man, the dark way,
is it?
yeah. But peace, man, telling about Moon Palace. Moon Palace is another classic place. People love to go there, you know? Yeah, 5-star. Just like where we at right now, it's 5-star, you know?
This is Columbus Heights. This is our balcony right here. Now we have guests. Currently we have guests right now.
And one she does tell you about her experience being here. What's it like?
Reggae Villa is amazing. Look at this view. The cruise ships are coming in. It's so peaceful, it's so relaxing. I can go under here, under the umbrella. Well, just relax in the shade, have a drink. It's gorgeous. 2 bedrooms. There's a downstairs. So close to the downtown. I love it here.
And the pool is right there. Walking distance for the pool.
Alright, why you tell them how much pool available for them? Because it's like 4.
Okay, there's about 5 or 6 phase. Each phase has their own pool. There's maybe about 6 pools in here. You could use any pool you want.
I We have a gym down there.
And we have a
as
gym also.
man.
And it's 24-hour security. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, man. So
And this is the balcony here. You come out here and you have your time, sit down, have a drink.
we have a grill. Look at the grill, peeps. So
Grill.
we're not gonna use it today, but another day.
Another day.
We're gonna use this grill, but and let you see what's going on. But it's amazing, peeps.
Reggae
It's
villa.
amazing. Reggae villa. You understand?
Colombo sides.
Colombo sides, yeah, man. With
Yes.
the peeps.
22E.
22E.
Yeah, I don't wanna forget. So peeps, check it out, please.
This is where you come through. As I said, we have guests right now. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. They're both en suite. Fully loaded with their bathrooms. Okay. Come downstairs.
Peeps, the stairs amaze me. I like the stairs. Like, instead of painting there, amazing.
This is done by my wife, Carolyn.
Yeah.
She did this, my wife.
Yeah, man, and peeps remember say is Andrew
Yes.
from Caroline, yeah.
Andrew
They're
Caroline.
the owner. So, yeah, man.
So here's a kitchen. This is the kitchen here. As I said, we have guests right now. We're just going through it.
Yeah.
Just walk through it.
Right, so peeps in the so go on. We have stove, microwave, fridge. We don't know guests there here, so we now go, you know? Yeah, man. And then we have a toaster oven. Same way. You get what me and say, peeps? Peeps, I know when I watch a video, I say, yo, man, book this.
Yes.
How much does it cost? But when you check out online, the general will tell
Exactly.
you. You understand?
Dining area for you to sit and eat. Okay. TV. It's a smart TV. You could put in your ID and watch movies.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Netflix, anything.
Netflix, anything that you want.
Another
It's a
amazing
smart TV.
painting to, you know,
Wi-Fi is here, free Wi-Fi. My wife also did this. She's very talented. Okay. Follow me. This is the gazebo out here. Coming through. This is the gazebo out here. As I said, we currently have guests right now, so they're spreading their towel, getting it dry. And I still got the view out here. Colombo sides. Walking distance from Margaritaville. You don't have to go to Margaritaville to hear the music. You can stay here and listen to the
hear
music.
everything. And people remember Margaritaville, as I'm saying, like about 3 minutes away.
Yeah.
And there we some amazing party keep, like every day of the week. So once you come here, you need to check this out. You understand?
And also, if you go on our website, you're coming in from anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, we have our driver will pick you up at the airport and take you right here. He knows us. And he's a good driver. He's not that, very safety
And
driver.
we're gonna add something on it to you know, peeps. You see, when you come now and you need a chef, just contact the general. He will link us all
Yes.
Jamaican type of food. So we're gonna form a partnership. So you just people check it out, you know.
Yes,
please.
And also, we have a housekeeper that comes in every 3 days just to clean, give you fresh towel. And if you need to cook, she can also cook for you. Okay, she comes in here and clean for you. Okay, this is the view here that we have. Look at it, it's all green. So once again, this is phase 3 pool, and this is all phase 3 here. All phase 3. All phase 3. Yeah. Look at this. Even when you're at the pool, you still have the view. When you're at the pool, you could see our balcony. It's walking distance. The pool has been cleaned every morning. Every morning. The guys that they keep the property nice and clean.
One time I got it done.
You could bring a chair right here and sit here. With some friends and family, you could sit right here and relax, take it easy. Look at the view.
And you still have the view of the city.
Anywhere you go. Yeah, if you need a taxi, we'll put up the phone number on our site. You could call our taxi guy. And if you need a ride from the airport, we got our driver to pick you up and take you to anywhere you want to go in Ochiris, any excursions, anything. Right now it's pretty hot. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys a small bedroom. As I said, we have guests right now. Somebody's sleeping. I'll show you one of the bedrooms. Go ahead. So ensuite, go to the bathroom.
Peeps, remember guest is here, but this is an ensuite. This is not a suite, this is an ensuite. And I can tell it's Caroline doing this painting.
She's not going to meet her.
So peeps, what she do? She sell painting
No, she's just
for
creative
hobbies.
for the
So
hobbies.
peeps, look at this.
Yeah.
Beautiful. People, remember, you know.
You'll get to know her.
Yeah,
Get
man.
to see her.
Yeah, man. Sometime soon.
Carolyn and Andrew. Reggae.
Reggae Villa, Ocho-Rios,
Columbus Heights, 22E.
Columbus Heights, 22E.
Come and visit us. Ocean View.
Yeah, man, peeps. So we are on the way. I go down to Hanover. So, Randy, if I talk about something to eat, you know. I said, I ramp to the road in the father. Patty. Vitamin.
Oh, this one, right?
Yeah, man. Father Linton, you know, man. Ask them now if they have them things that are Randy there, you know, man.
Oh,
Man, that man, something for eat, you know. Say, past breakfast time? Yeah, man, we don't know a thing go. Can vlog in here, baby? Show your smile. Yeah, man, peeps. Randy, I know you say. Can't wait for reaching.
Tell you, out here.
Why? Where you say no cup no here?
No sanitary glass.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, sick you bless up yourself, you know, man. Heart of love, man. Yeah, man. Outside today, you know, I grab some gas. A wrong car, me that go in there, you know. Wrong car, me that go in there. Yeah. And this and that. Tida. Yeah, man, peeps. So there, mommy beer. Over there, so Jacksaw Sport Complex. So we bad driver, yeah. You see me? Active outside, man. We are run the road today, you know. On the other side of Jamaica, we are go. You see me? Yeah, man, but we in mama beer, yeah? I don't like the way they chuck that in either, you know. You see, it's explosive, flammable. Yeah, man, I like the way they chuck that there. Yeah, man. Of course you gotta be. Hey, look here now. Bless up your channel, man. Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV and Jamaica on the Run TV. Come on, say it. Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. Lifestyle Blacks TV. Lifestyle Blacks TV. And Jamaica on the Run TV. YouTube. And some of them $5,000 they don't do it well, you know. Some of them $5,000. You can't lend one 4 of them.
No money, these are not mine. These are $4 money.
Okay, sweetie, look here. Merry Christmas, Cancer. Happy New Year's when it comes. Okay, bless up yourself, man. Here, going on the road, yeah. So what we say? Movement time, you know? Yeah, man. Movement time, you know? So the next stop we are going to grab some food, you know? Yeah, man. And we don't know it, come on. Movements time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I give up. Yeah.
And she need to reach.
Yeah, she tell me. I buy 3 and I don't drink those shit.
Yeah, man, people after how much? 2 hours of traveling. 2 hours? 3 hours of traveling. Finally, they're on the block. You get what me
Oh,
say?
yeah, I know.
Man place man over. You know? So when you look around the surrounding and you see what go on peeps. Yeah man. Just like that. Give thanks to everything, you know peeps. So we are gonna just go and we soon get inside and then we'll get together and do what we have to do people. So keep it locked. Randy.
Just like that. Yes, down here and in and over, you know. It's a good look. What them call the scheme again? What them call the run again?
Chill point.
Out here in Chill Point and over.
Come on, Chill Point.
On the west side of Jamaica.
Airbnb name Chill Point, so. But at the Chill Point, people when we get things together, we not go see what go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, Chill Point, so. Yeah man, peeps, see that? Yeah man, them t-shirt that we are work with for the segment over there, you see me? Randy, what's the hair size?
Well, yes. After work. Chill Spot, Ocean Point and over Jamaica. Which is right, you know? One team. That is it.
Yeah man, so one for me, one for Crespo, and I don't know a thing go. And you don't know, we bring a little bit of pork and no cheese all about it, you know?
Them back and the guys, come here, don't y'all, come. Them guys are back and the guy bush alone and cut stick to make the fish back.